Hi, I'm Kathy Skinner. I'm a doTERRA wellness advocate and educator, and what I want to do is show you one of my favorite things that I love to make. I have been using this natural body wash for many years, and I think it's really helped me and my skin. I rarely have a dry skin issue, so I think this, along with some of the things that I do to help the inside of my body be better too, help to work. So what we're going to do is we have a, you want a container, an 8-ounce container, and you could use glass, you can use stainless steel, or a real high-grade plastic. It needs to be a really solid plastic because of the essential oils. They are going to be diluted, so it won't be so bad to use plastic, but you want to use something that's a high, sturdy quality plastic. So number 1, number 2, or that high polyurethane plastic. So the first thing I do is I am going to use a funnel because I spill. And I am putting in some Castile soap. So this is a liquid concentrate Castile soap. What I like to use is, let's see, it's Dr. Bronner's. And I use the Hemp Baby Unscented one. So the thing that I like about it is that it is unscented, so I can add what I want to it. Now, if you like, they do come in all different kinds of, aromas. But, all right, so that's the first thing we do. Then the next thing is to use some vegetable glycerin. And there are reasons for using all these different products, which I will give you a link to my blog and you can check out all the reasons, but to keep this short. So I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of it. So I'm hoping I have enough. There's 1, 2, 3. Yes, we have enough today. And where do you get your vegetable glycerin? Well, I live in a small town, so I ordered this online. Okay, I like this now product, and it's very good. And then the next thing we need is 3 tablespoons of an oil of your choice. You could use fractionated coconut oil, you could use almond oil, jojoba oil, or olive oil, which is what I do. I use olive oil. I like using it for 2 reasons. I just love it, the feel of it, but also it helps with to remind me, because it does help to, it shows the separation of the two, the other oils and stuff, and the olive oil. So it reminds me to always shake before using my body wash. And then the last part is putting in 10 essential oils, whatever you would like. Now I have a preference. I like to use, I will use, I call it my anti-aging blend, and it's been working for me really well. I don't usually use the funnel for this part, but I put in 5 drops of lavender, 5, and then I put in 2 drops of geranium, and there's a reason for each of these oils, which once again is on the blog. 1, 2, and then 1 of Roman chamomile. 2. Whoops, got 2 in there. Oh well, I'm sure an extra drop of Roman chamomile won't hurt me. But usually I just do 1. And then I also use 2 drops of rosemary. I love rosemary. It has a lot of great properties to it. So that's all we're doing. I screw on my cap. I don't add water or anything to it. I just shake it up and use it. As you can see, it's a nice creamy color. I put a label on here. Well, it's washed off because I've used it so much, but I have it labeled as my anti-aging blend. But like I said, I just shake it really good. I pull it out and I put just a little bit, not very much. In fact, use the smallest amount and then add more as you need it. But I use one of those scrunchies or a loofah, and I can usually just that little bit can take care of my whole body. So if you are wanting something that's more you have skin blemishes and you want to have something for clearing up, then what I would recommend would be using the lavender, melaleuca, rosemary, and bergamot. Those are a good combination for an uplifting body wash, something that's going to be revitalizing you. Maybe you take all your showers in the morning and you need to wake up. Good oils are the citrus bliss. That is great. And peppermint. Grapefruit, lime, and eucalyptus. Those are also good choices. You can mix them together. You can use just all, 10 drops of one. Or you can, maybe you're more of an evening person and so you want something that's going to be relaxing, or maybe you're using it on your children and you want them to relax, calm down because we're going to bed soon, right? So then try lavender, serenity, bergamot. Actually, even though it's a citrus, it has a uplifting but calming effect. And then geranium or Roman chamomile. So lots of great choices. I hope you found this informative and look forward to sharing more do-it-yourself things with you. Bye-bye.